EDX Decision 1, Critical Path Analysis 1, Activity Networks. Constructing a precedence table from an activity network. Sometimes we may have an activity on our network and we want to construct the precedence table. So for example, there is the activity on our network and we may be asked to construct the precedence table from that. So if we look at the activities, and I'll work through them so you can see the process. So the first activity is A. Its duration is 6 units and it starts at node 1, so it can start straight away with no preceding activities. B lasts for 4 units and like A, it can start straight away with no preceding activities needed. C lasts for 15 and also can start straight away. They all start at node 1. However, if we look at D now, D lasts for 10 units. Now if you look carefully at the diagram, D has to follow node 3. And in order for that to happen, we need to have finished A. But if you check the dummy as well, this upward dummy also finishes before D can start, and that upward dummy comes from the end of B. So we need to finish B as well as A before the end of the dummy activity at node 3. So D cannot begin until A and B are finished. However, if we look at E, which lasts for 13 units, E can only start after node 2, and the only thing that has to be finished for this node is event B, so activity B. So in order to start activity E, we need to have completed activity B, and that is done at that particular node. So E has to follow activity B. F lasts for 4. So F can only start when this event has happened, and this event can only happen when activity D has finished. We don't need to worry about E because that's at the bottom end of the dummy activity. So F can start when D has finished. G, which lasts for 2 units, G can only start after this event, and this event is the completion of E, and if we check the direction of the dummy, we also need the completion of D. So G cannot begin until activity D is finished because of the dummy and activity E. And that's the precedence table for the given network. In the next session, we'll be analysing an activity network.